What's going on, guys and girls? Today is January the 1st, 2025. And look at here, we've got somebody needed some attention up here. Anyway, this is the first ride of the new year, and I am headed to downtown Nashville. Well, sort of downtown Nashville, yeah. Pretty much downtown. The Bicentennial Mall. Nashville has their big New Year's Eve bash downtown, and the wife and I watched it on television, and we were like, I wonder how messy that is. So I'm gonna go give it a gander and see. Police officer coming up on the left. Don't want to give him any reason to stop me. So I will behave. Oh, now he's behind me. Now he's in the right lane. It's like the city came in and scraped up all the spilled concrete. Oh. Checking out that car. Look at all those tall buildings. So every one of them colored kind of a blue tint. Those are the new sky rises. Let's see. Road closed. There's part of the venue. Part of the venue. Road closed. Large part of the venue. Still cleaning up. Oh, I have to do a Yui here. Why they didn't use the baseball stadium. I mean, it's like right there, right? Ooh. Elrod's. Von Elrod's. I knew a guy last name Elrod, or a family last name Elrod growing up. I wonder if they're related. Elrod's Cabinet Shop. Business they owned. Smells good. Barbecue, though. Brooklyn Bowl. That's some neat hipster stuff to do. Third and Home. Oof. Smells steak. Road closed up there. I don't know if I'd want to live there right by the tracks. That is an active train line. Rail line. Train line. Whatever. You know what I'm talking about. Choo-choo go down the track. Choo-choo go hard and far. Yeah, I choose my bonding company based on that. Nope. Well, the tags say Davidson County. Guess they're just not used to it. Derp. Coliseum? News station's been there forever. Forever, I tells ya. Look at this. Zippy here out in the intersection blocking the crosswalk. Smooth move, dude. Road closed. Better get it all cleaned up. They got state employees coming tomorrow. Work to do. Road closed again. Road sort of closed. Oh, Lord. Fun stuff, I tell you. Gardens of Babylon landscapes. All right. I don't know if you can see it. I looked real quick. There's still all the stage up, taking parts of it down. I bet they've been working since early in the morning.